Hi, what I'm going to be doing today are inscribed angles. And what I'd like you to do is, let's say this is 100 degrees and this is the center of the circle. And I want to find the measurement of this angle. So let's look at what we know. Well, if this is 100 degrees right here, then this too is 100 degrees. And if that's 100 degrees, this is 80 degrees. 100, 80 minus 100. Because supplementary angles. Well, if this is 80 degrees and these two angles are equal because we created an isosceles triangle, then this angle has to be 50 and this angle has to be 50 degrees. And let's look at this and see if we can develop some kind of relationship between the inscribed angle, the angle formed where 2 points touch two points touch the arc and the vertex touches the arc. So this inscribed angle right here. And let's see if we can figure out some kind of rule with this. So what I'm going to do is one more time, but this time around I'm going to do it with x. Let's say this is x. And this is x also. And this becomes 180 minus x. And if that's the case, we know this is equal to this. We have an isosceles triangle. Now, if you remember the rules for the exterior angle, we know this angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. Well, if that's the case, this is half x, and this is half x. And now let's see a relationship. So the inscribed angle, I'll write it in here. Inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 intercepted arc. Let's redo this again. One or two more times. Let's make sure that we truly understand it. Let's say the center was here. Okay. And if I drew this like this, let's pretend, let's say this is 80 and this is 20. Well, if that's the case, if that's 20, this is 20, that makes this one 60. And makes this piece 10 and this piece 10. This is 80, and this is 100. That makes this 50. This is 40, I'm sorry. This is 40, and this is 40. And the whole thing is 50, and this whole thing is 100. So half of 100 is 50. Now let's work with one example using algebra. Let's say this is x plus 50, and this is x. Okay? So since this is twice this, what I can say is 2x is equal to x plus 50 minus x, x equal 50. And if this is 50, 50 plus 50 is 100. So notice the setup. Okay, thank you and have a good day.